Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony WH-CH720N headphones and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. To fix Bluetooth pairing issues, at first you have to disable Bluetooth. Disable and enable it back. If it didn't help you, you have to do a soft reset of your headphones. To do a soft reset, we have to just push the power button down and do this again to turn on. If it didn't help you, you have to do a hard reset. If a hard reset didn't help you too, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!